Today I'm going to show you how to use paragraph styles in Adobe InDesign. Using styles is helpful for large documents especially, but I use them all the time, even for one-page documents. If you use styles, you can change the design of all elements a style is applied to at once, rather than hunting through your document for every instance. This is a 5-page document with several styles. I'd like to change the background color of this use case box. There are a few instances of this box further down, like here and here, so we'll be able to see the global change when it happens. Paragraph styles can be found in the advanced workspace. So we start here at paragraph styles, and then we find the style that we want to the use case, right click, edit use case, and then we go here to the side to paragraph shading. Right now it's this blue. Let's pull it over so we can see what we're doing. Right now it's that blue and we have the preview on so we can see the change happen. I'm going to change it to this yellow. And look, there it is being previewed. Click OK and see all of them have changed. Now that you know what styles can do, let me show you how to get started. Here's a shorter document. I would like it to look like this in the end. Here it is without most of the styles. We'll create some and apply them to finish the document. To start, open the Paragraph Styles dialog box. And here you can see 3 styles already. The title, which is that, table, and basic paragraph, which is InDesign's default paragraph style name. Everything that is not table or title is basic paragraph. Let's style this body paragraph. Highlight, click Add New, click the new paragraph style to apply that style to the highlighted text. Right-click, Edit Paragraph Style. I will go through and put in my desired settings. I'm going to start with basic paragraph formats. I'll move on to indents and spacing and character color. And I'll go back to the general at the beginning and call this paragraph style body. And now we can see it's been applied. Existing paragraph styles can be used to create new styles. I would like this list to look very much like this body paragraph here. So what I do, create a new style, apply it to the highlighted text, edit this style, and base it on the body. Look at that, it already has started to look like it. There are a few things that need to be changed. And in the bullets and numbering, and in the indents and spacing, see the space after has been inherited from the body, as has the character color. Let's unhighlight this text, and it's already starting to look great. Let's stylize this callout box. If you'll remember, it was white text and a blue background. So, highlight, new style, apply that style, and edit the style. To give it that blue background, go to Paragraph Shading. Click to turn on shading, change the color and the tint, and then to apply the shading beyond the borders of the text box, we go to Offsets. This chain right here means that all 4 sides are locked. We use that to begin with, and then unlock it to do just the right to the edge of the page. Then we have to change the color of the text. Let's try Based On again. I'd like these 2 headings to slightly match the title. So we highlight and base it on the title. The title is big, so it has made the text disappear, but it will be just fine. First off, you can see the title has a shade. I don't want that, so we're going to turn that off. And also, it's white. That's not what we're looking for. It's also far too big. And it has an indent that we don't need. Looks right, doesn't it? So now let's show you how easy it is to apply the style to another place. So we've highlighted the second heading, and all we have to do is click heading in the style box. So look, now our documents match.